get here. Take these guys with you. My car's open. That's a good boy. Come on. Get in. Get in. That's a good dog. Come on. Let's go for a ride. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get in. Come on. Come on. That's good, doggy. Come on. Come on. We got all the dogs there. Go down there.
Super dicey though, in one spot after the truck.
Hey, go over here. Come on.
No units back over to the Fox area. Have the units with animals in your vehicles, get them out ASAP.
Hi everyone, Donut here. So I'm not going to be making a video tonight really. I just wanted to let everyone know. I know that I haven't posted in the past few days. I've had something pretty big in the works and I'm going to be traveling to Georgia tomorrow to hang out with a certain police department that's very special to me. And I'm going to be surprising that police department with something cool, and that's what I'm going to be making my video on tomorrow. So I probably won't be streaming tonight. I might stream sometime tomorrow, I don't know, but I'll be back to my regular schedule of releasing almost daily videos, at least daily videos on weekdays, and streaming on Thursday evening. I'll be back home then. So I just wanted to let everyone know I haven't forgotten about you. I've just been working on something pretty cool. I think you're all gonna like it. And when I get back, we're gonna do a nice big Leo recap. I'm gonna talk about a guy who got mad at his wife and crashed a jet into her house. We can talk about some cows who took a woman into custody. We can talk about an anti-violence picnic that erupted in gunfire. And I think I'm gonna make a video solely on one incident that I saw the other day where a guy was training kids to be terrorists out in the desert in the US. A bunch of crazy stuff we're going to talk about. You can keep up with my adventures at the police department I'm going to be visiting tomorrow on my Twitter at twitter.com/donutoperator, of course. I love you all and I hope you have a fantastic day.